Guys, so as you have seen from the videos, I installed the dual battery system. I'm going to be installing the S-Pod switch and a couple of other accessories, the compressor and everything. But the Jeeps do not have any secure locking system. Anybody can just steal it away from me. So I found this bolt by a company BOLT Hood Lock. Initially I was thinking to get like locks for the latches, but I think it's bulky and I didn't like the look. This is pretty good and I don't have to have an extra key. This thing is supposed to just go here like this, and it can work. Let me see if you can see it. The light is bad. Yeah, it can work. You can set your own car key with it, and it's supposed to be very easy. The only tool you need is basically this rivet driver or whatever you call it. It's a heavy duty. Again, it's good to have a mechanic friend, you know. I'm here in the shop, but he's giving me this. But yeah, this is about like $20–25 in Harbor Freight. The bolt also came with 1/4-inch rivets, 4 of them. That's what you need. And basically, let me pop up the hood. To install it, you basically pop out the grill. There are 6 of these plastic tighteners that you can just use the flathead screwdriver to do them, and then pull it out, and then you just rivet this thing on. Let's go ahead and do it. And they're also providing these plastic these things. If you remove it, you know, you break it or anything, they give you a replacement, which is very nice, very good. So 4 rivets and 6 of these plastic tighteners. So let me show you how this is removed. Basically, you know, you just pop it up and you take it out. But then I took out all 6 of them right now. You don't need these because, like I said, they have provided you a new ones, so that's a good thing. And now I just have to I left one over here. Just make sure before you start pulling away things is that you have taken out every single one of them. There you go. So now it just, but there are clips in the bottom also, like right here. So now it's loosened from the top, as you can see. It's loosened here. But from here also there are clips that you need to. Let me change my camera. I would need both hands, but you need to just kind of pull it out, okay? Section that you just kind of pull it, and you could just leave it here. And then these are the 2 clips that you can remove just to get more room here for this pipe. But 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we're going to use, basically, to kind of make it go over it like this from the factory. There you go. And the wire just goes back to its place. So that's it. You know, the holes align. You don't have to make a hole. You don't have to do anything. You just rivet these ones. Should be good to go. Let me get my rivet tool and we'll start it. Okay, you know, things are very intimidating if you've never used it before. I've never used this before. So my friend is telling me it's pretty easy. Let's just do it. So supposedly these are the 4 rivets that come with it. And you're supposed to just put it down here and just align it with the hole. And do I just close it? Mm-hmm. Over here.
Open it again.
Okay.
Push. Yeah, there you go. Keep on going until it snaps. Catching or no?
I'm not sure.
1 second.
I guess we had to adjust the first one and the tool for the first one, but yeah, you just keep forcing it forward and closing it in.
I'm not catching it.
I don't know, for some reason, when he does it, it comes out fine. But yeah. You want to go ahead and put the top on? So it's the tool that needs adjustment, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Something in that.
Let me do the other one.
Now you have to adjust it. Get up a little bit. Like this. Go ahead. Catch him?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Finally, got it. So a little adjustment needed over here, but some other tools probably don't need it. But pretty easy. It's the 5-minute installation. So now, for the key, in order to make sure it works with the company key, I mean with the car key, company key, OEM key, I have to remove this sticker and just had a good habit to play things around. Okay, and just turn it. This now set your key. No other key will go in there, and yeah, I see. You see over here? I see it. Let me get the light. You see? So that is the locking mechanism. It's supposed to work. So let me test it. See how it is. Okay, it's locked now. So it's a security. It is also safety, because if for some reason there's an issue with the latches and the hood cannot go, on the windshield, because right now it's locked. And just put this back in. Put the bottom one. Just make sure when you're taking it out, there is one clip here by the fog light also that kind of aligns. So it's not only these ones. Sometimes you may just kind of try to force.
You gotta make a hole over here.
No, there's no hole in it. I just want to make sure right here, the clip over here. Actually, yeah, I need to open the hood. I locked it. So these ones are in. I just want to make sure this one is in also. Okay, that one is in. These are the one by the fog lights. So just kind of press on that area. It should be good. So good. And now the new clips that are provided by the vendor. That's it. This is cool. I mean, these little things count. The quality is pretty good. It was sturdy. It was black. It's not powder coated. It's painted, but it's good quality. But these little things count when you're working on a project like this. You don't want to be running out of things that you have to buy. Okay, that's it. Hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe for more videos.